Welcome to RankUpturn. RankUpturn is a reliable, automated, and sustainable digital infrastructure for all types of education institutes to scale up the digital transformation journey. It provides all the necessary tools and resources to automate the classroom and curriculum activities, accumulate the critical data, stay closely connected with the students, and to understand and fill the learning needs of students statistically in real time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use calendar under your institution with RankUpturn. Here you can able to see the calendar module, right? I'm just clicking on the calendar module. This is an academic calendar which has been created by the admin. So only the admin can able to create the academic calendar here. So I'm just clicking on add calendar entry. So here admin can able to create the calendar entry based on the targeted groups. And also as an institution admin, you can able to create the calendar entries in private mode, which can be visible only to you. By doing this, you can maintain your own private calendar entry along with the academic calendar so that you can plan your professional and personal events more easily. This is how the calendar module works under the institution with RankUpturn.
Thanks for watching. Get started with a free subscription today. RankUpturn LMS is an innovative one-stop solution. Provides all the necessary tools and channels for your institution to systematically amplify the personalized learning, automate the classroom and curriculum activities, and provides the proper channels for all stakeholders to statistically understand and fill the learning needs in real time. Happy teaching and learning.